So welcome to my 360 walkthrough of Spirit Halloween for 2025. I did shoot one in 2022, but I didn't bother putting it up till 2023 and people really liked it. So I'm gonna put it up this year. I'm using two different Rode microphones, one to get really close up.
You can never escape my evil eye. It's too late to run. It's too late to hide. You don't even have time to scream. I see you. I follow you around every dark corner. Creep along with the monsters under your bed and turn your dreams into nightmares.
Well, you heard him. He follows me. I hope you're following me as well. See if I can get this to... There we go.
Each a prisoner. This is your fate now, too. We are bound to this cursed place together. You don't even have
Can't even see its face most of the time. So on to some costumes for a little bit. Some Hogwarts stuff. Not bad for a cheap one. It's a strange ghost face. Oh, damn. I realized that moves. I wonder if you can get by that after it's the motion sensor. I don't know. Is it for sale? Maybe it is. I don't know where. It must be for sale. There's no price. I know where the speaker is. And of course, from Squid Game, there's a costume for people who are a little bit smaller. Chucky. Coming soon, more stuff from Terrifier. Some Wednesday stuff. I mean, it's only Tuesday. Wolverine claws. See what this guy does.
I come for you. Look deep into the burning fire as I drag you into the depths of this.
Alright. Kind of the quiet type. Never liked this sketch. I don't know why it became popular. Some Jurassic World? Jurassic Park. Okay, Jurassic Park stuff. Come over here, and here is the station for Madison Square Garden Park. Now this one's interesting because it distributes candy. Now this one, you have to stand way back. I'm gonna put the microphone down here. It's a little sensitive. It's motion sense?
As the midnight hour approaches, my tension builds inside me.
Oh, there's stakes on the ground. So
Now
it's
you
outside.
see what I'm capable of. So, beware and keep out of my presence. For I may take out my aggressions on you next time.
Dude knows how to take his time. A little bit of for the bell tolls there. Let's go into the subway car. Watch your step. Now these up here, you can actually buy here. Oh, I like the fake ads of the subway. That's cool. That's supposed to be in instead of out, but oh well. Oh, this guy's been around for a long time. Not hooked up though. Now, if you stand over here, there's a guest activated trigger. I don't know if you're really a guest, but it vibrates very loudly, obviously. This, I don't know if it does anything. Nope. Feel like it's supposed to, but maybe it isn't. I don't know.
Candied joy, twisted and bright. Then feel the sting and endless fright to satisfy uncarved delight.
I don't know if that's in the timer. Oh,
Beautiful head. Yes, it will complete our collection nicely. Don't be afraid. Come closer. Take a candy. And let's carve up some fun this night. Our treats are crafted from your darkest nightmares.
oh, just for me. Well,
Monkey, baby, monkey.
I didn't mean for it to hit the microphone. Oh well. Oh yeah, we're not recording that guy again. That guy takes forever. Look at the fogging pumpkin pile. That's cool. It stands 15.5 in tall. That's not very tall. Got some more costumes over here, of course. Tacky stuff. Fading Reaper. I don't know what that means. Sorry. Again, I'm really surprised it's this busy on a Tuesday, September 2nd. So yeah, I thought I was recording earlier, but I wasn't. Whoops. Gordo. So I kept taking the one microphone on and off my shirt to put it down for the animatronics, and I thought, it was just causing a lot of delays. I was like, oh, duh, I have two microphones. Some little hats and stuff. Some more stuff from Wednesday. Decorations, of course. Boo bees. I guess that would really work, but a little Stanley Cup. string lights. Now, if you don't know, incandescent lights are terrible. I think these might actually be incandescent lights. I can't believe they still sell this anywhere. They're terrible as black lights. LED or fluorescent work really well. The old incandescent lights, not only are they very inefficient, but they just don't create enough of the ultraviolet end of the spectrum for it to work. And they use way too much electricity. So I've said this before, and I'll always say it. If you're buying makeup, don't buy it at Spirit Halloween. We love Spirit Halloween, but this is really trash. Now, I am not at all a professional makeup artist, but I had a hard time putting on their cream makeup well. And I thought, oh, maybe it's just because I don't know what I'm doing. Then I bought some quality makeup, actual quality makeup, and my makeup looks way better. Now, I did also improve my technique. Hold on. With practice and, some education, but it was definitely the makeup that was causing it to look horrible. That was the main problem. Now, the nice thing is when I came here for the live stream, they didn't have the music playing yet, so I didn't have to worry about copyright issues. Although, I'm not monetized yet on this channel. Getting there. So I kind of don't anyway. Huh, okay. This looks like an adult-size ghost face, but it says this is for kids. I don't know. But that's interesting, a light-up stick figure. That's kind of cool. Horror. Isn't all of this horror? Horror. Every year I say, why don't they have a Spirit Halloween Spirit jersey? I wouldn't buy it, but I mean, like, what a good tie-in. I mean, theming, I guess, but like Spirit, really, Spirit Halloween Spirit jersey seems like obvious. I don't think I need this anymore. Push the button. That's all it does. That's okay. What's up, Nun? Not in the mood, huh? Maybe it just finished the cycle, I don't know. Oh. Okay. Yay! So that is a 360 walkthrough of Spirit Halloween. As always, like, subscribe, all that stuff. I am trying to monetize this channel. It's getting there. But I need a lot more watch time, so please do also share. Oh, they're playing a Haunted Mansion song. Hopefully with the correct editing you won't hear that, because when my channel becomes monetized, yeah, this won't be monetized if I do that. I'm gonna turn this off. This secondary one, I'm turning it off now, because I'm done recording the animatronics. So once again, thanks for watching.